Hi, I'm Channy. Today I will show you how to use this model to you. First, we should open the air switch. And turn on the flow. Then start the machine. You can adjust the temperature slow with both the knob. And the max temperature is 55 degrees. And for the low water pressure, you can touch the pump key and roll the pump knob. You can increase the water pressure. The max level is 10. If you want to test our machine leakage protection, you can touch the test key. And the ELCB indicator is light up. And here will show E1. It's easy, right?